train very hard.
Yeah,
Run-throughs, just revamping everything, trying to skate way better than last summer. So
yeah, just new programs obviously, and just we took this summer like really seriously, try to train hard and get stuff done like a lot earlier this year. Like last year was kind of like a rebuilding year for us, and this year we just want to try and get ready early and see what we can do. I think like when we switched to Bryce, we knew there was like going to be some changes, and we decided we wanted to do it all out, but he said like there was going to be like a process and like a time frame. And so last year like we were working a lot on fundamentals and kind of left like the technical stuff in the background a little bit. And then this year we started that hot and heavy like early in the season and getting it going. And yeah, it's definitely a year by year process, but with us I feel like it's nice right now because we're at a point where there isn't a ton of pressure on us. We're keeping our expectations low and just keeping our head down and working as hard as we can, and whatever happens happens. So
we skate to Under the Bridge by Red Hot Chili Peppers for a short. We actually got it done really early this year, around March, so we've had it for quite a long time. And we got to do in a show, 2 competitions, so we're really feeling confident with it. And then our long is Nessun Dorma by Turn Dot.
We're in a position where like we don't really have any expectations. We're just like keeping our head down, training hard, and whatever happens happens. We kind of like the next 2 years before this Olympic cycle, like it's gonna be tough for us to like get into that spot. So we don't have any expectations with that. We just want to go out and skate the best programs that we can, and the points and the placements will end up happening where they are. Like we've never had control over it, so it's not going to happen anytime in the future. So anyway.